Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove multiple blank rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data to this spreadsheet, but some column and rows are blanks. Now we want to remove the multiple blank column and row. At first, select your sheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and go to the special menu. Then check mark on the blank option, click OK. Then we can see here automatically select all blank row and column. Click right button and select delete option. Now I am select the shift cell left, then click OK. We can see we delete some blank column. Click right button and select delete again and choose cells up, click OK. Then click right button again and select delete option, then click entire column. Now we can see we delete multiple columns and row easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.